Immersive Reader is an online alternative format that enhances the readability of course content and promotes comprehension. This interactive feature is located in the Alternative Formats option provided by Ally and bCourses. Once selected from the Download Alternative Formats window, the content of the file displays in a new window with control buttons. The Play/Pause button starts and stops the text-to-speech feature. Use the Voice Settings button to adjust the voice speed, as well as change the voice selection between male and female. Opening the Text Preferences button provides an interface to alter text size, spacing, font type, and background color. The Grammar option can be used to divide words into syllables, and also provides an interface to highlight nouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. The Reading Preferences button provides an interface to enable line focus, a feature that resizes focus to a single line, 3 lines, or 5 lines at a time. There's also a Picture Dictionary option that provides a visual representation of the most common words used in the displayed text. And finally, the Translation feature offers over 100 languages. Immersive Reader is a unique reading engagement tool available through Ally and bCourses. For more information, contact Ally Help at berkeley.edu.